If you ain't ready, you gotta let a girl know, like, baby, this ain't that. Because if you play with a girl's heart, to some guys, playing with a girl's heart is like, it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
But it's a karma that comes to you. So if you're having a bad day at your job, if you're having a bad day, like, it's like, damn, my luck has been bad. It's because you probably put a girl through some tears. So don't play mind games. You're hurting somebody. And I don't think people understand how bad is that pain when you hurt somebody that loves you. And it might not be your wife. It just might be a girl that you probably was playing mind games with, and you made them feel like you love them. And it's like you ripped that love from them. And it's like, God will make you pay for that. Some men, they don't think that. They don't think they get bad karma when you hurt somebody's heart.
Oh, that's good. People should hear that. You may have to say it again.
Yes.